Hydraulic fracturing, also called fracking, is the process of injecting a mixture of chemicals into the ground to break up shale rock stored beneath the Earth's crust. This releases natural gas, which is collected and then used as an alternative fuel. Fracking, as with any fuel collection practice, has its negatives, so while some people eagerly support the practice, there are many that despise it. I happen to despise it. Fracking has been linked to accelerated global warming, man-made earthquakes, and flammable tap water. Yes, flammable tap water, as in you can hold a match to your faucet and it will burst into flames. You may be asking yourself, why would anybody support this? Well, fracking is the closest thing we have to becoming a fuel-independent country, and people don't want to let that go. It has its benefits when executed correctly, but there is obvious room for improvement. The first genre I will use in my MGA is a recipe for fracking fluid. Fracking fluid is the chemical mixture pumped into the earth during hydraulic fracturing. This fluid contains many chemicals including known carcinogens such as formaldehyde, hydrochloric acid, and mercury. I will use the recipe to illustrate just how toxic fracking fluid is, and it is contaminating our drinking water. I will also include information found through university experiments documented in lab reports to provide scientific evidence backing my assertion that fracking is dangerous. I will cite Jeff Tollefson, who published a report on increased methane emissions, and Stephen Osborne, who published a lab report on methane contamination of tap water. My third genre is an interview with Amy Harder, an environmental technology reporter with the National Journal and author of Fracking, the Phantom Menace. Harder includes a well-rounded argument in her article along with substantial remarks which will be easily adaptable to the setting of an interview. I will also include an interview with John Stossel, a fracking proponent. Next, I will include the transcripts of a town hall meeting where I will introduce my character, townswoman Linda from Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is a town heavily impacted by fracking, and I intend to create and portray townswoman Linda as the voice of every Pennsylvania citizen that is negatively impacted by hydraulic fracturing. My fifth genre is a short video clip of a man I have nicknamed Homeowner Bill from Pennsylvania. The video shows Homeowner Bill setting the water running from his kitchen faucet on fire. I also have a video of townswoman Linda setting her faucet on fire, so I will include both of those. I will continue to follow Homeowner Bill and townswoman Linda for the duration of my MGA. Following the videos, I will present letters of complaint written by Homeowner Bill and townswoman Linda to the energy company responsible for the fracking sites in their area. Their letters will include cited information from academic articles I have found through my research that relates to complaints real people affected by natural gas drilling may have. Lastly, I will include pictures of fracking protesters to demonstrate how the people feel about fracking. Homeowner Bill and townswoman Linda will both be active participants in these protests as they are the faces of a community impacted negatively by fracking. I will include protest pictures from Pennsylvania and other states because demonstrations are often a good indicator of public opinion.